Ever wonder how a cucumber becomes a pickle? Take a look. Pick fresh or purchase fresh pickling cucumbers. Wash them thoroughly and soak them in ice-cold water for up to 2 hours. Make sure you sterilize your jars and your lids. In a large pot, place 3 cups white wine vinegar, 9 cups water, and 3/4 cup salt. Heat this up, but don't boil. Just before it starts to boil, turn it down to a simmer. Separate lids and seals from jars to sterilize. Wash your dill and drain. To your sterile jars, add 1/4 teaspoon alum, 2 or more cloves of garlic, and for a little spice, add a chili pepper. Add 2 heads of fresh dill. Make sure that you bend your dill down to fit the jar. After adding all the ingredients, begin adding the cucumbers to your jar. Make sure you add them and they are nice and tight. You can also slice the cucumbers if you desire and add to the seasoned jar. Pour the water mixture into the jar until covered. Then seal immediately with the sterile lids. Make sure to seal, but do not seal too tight. Place the jars back into the boiling water and let boil for about 5 minutes. Remove from the pot and tighten the lids completely. And turn upside down for approximately 5 minutes on a clean towel. They should be ready to eat in about 1 month, but you can store them in a cool, dark room. They should stay crisp for about 9 months to a year. Keep it fresh, everyone.